Hey, I'm Luke. I started working at Kondex in 2011. The area I work in currently, I make disc mower knives, and they look like a lawnmower blade, but shorter pretty much. They are used to cut hay, and hay is for horses. So Kondex helped me as I saw a job posting that was within the company only at the time, and I decided to apply for it. And I was lucky and I got the position. Teamwork is very valuable at Kondex. So me and my co-worker, we really rely on each other a lot to be successful as a whole within our own work cell area. We often rely on each other to do one thing while one of us goes off and does a quality inspection, and the other person will be keeping our machines running or do whatever needs to get done for each other. I like most about Kondex that its building is climate controlled, which means air conditioning and in the summertime and heat in the winter, and lots of the people there are a pleasure to work with. Kondex has a program. It's designed to help employees pretty much improve the place as a whole. It's called the Continuous Improvement Program, CIP for short. It helps anybody, if they have an idea of an improvement, if this idea gets accepted, you will be rewarded, like with a little prize. You get to choose between probably 10 different prizes. Your idea will also go on to a wheel spin along with 11 other ideas. And once that happens, if the wheel gets spun to number 12, the whole company gets a free lunch, and it's a pretty good lunch. When I see my own idea, it makes me feel like I helped contribute something good for Kondex, and it's a pretty good feeling.